Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to increase FPS on Roblox Mobile. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Roblox app and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now, the first method that you can try out do in your in-game settings is you can turn on reduce motion and then put your graphics quality to the lowest. Before, some of your settings would be automatic, but if your phone doesn't support it, it may not support full graphics. So this is just the first method, and now what you want to do is go to your phone settings and click accessibility right over there. After that, you want to go to motion and select reduce motion. Once done, move back to accessibility and access the display and text size feature. So basically what you want to do is click reduce transparency. This will take some load off of your device's processor. So that's basically how you can increase FPS on Roblox Mobile. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.